Welcome back, folks. Greg Silberman here from the Tower of London. Another Come Learn With Me session. Welcome back. Just a bit of a weird weekend, isn't it? With Russia invading Ukraine. Well, certainly not over the weekend, but it continues. And it's just crazy. I don't know, insanity, isn't it? But anyway, we've been transfixed to that. And, we have been looking at some of these thematics which are being impacted right now. Take a look at the LinkedIn link down below for some of our mini groups. Feel free to come and take a look at them and join them. We've had a group based on aerospace and defense for a long time. I mean, I'm not a war advocate by any manner of means, but it's an interesting area that we've tracked, and there's been a gradual build-up, and it looks like it's going to be even more of a build-up now with another arms race. So, gosh, heaven help us. Anyway. Another article in the Come Learn With Me session. Which fintech sectors are attracting the most startup funding? And this article, just for context, was at the end of January. Fintech startup funding soared 131.5 billion in 2020. Here's where it went. Okay. So this was one of those where it went. Fintech startup funding soared to 131.5 billion in 2021. Here's where it went. At the top, consumer payments and fractionalization. But that's just the beginning. See, many are calling decentralized finance or DeFi the Wild West of finance. This fast-growing industry aims to provide. We've got a mini group on this as well, by the way. Blockchain and crypto. Check that out. Automated banking expert services cryptocurrencies to everyone with no middleman. But DeFi is still in its early stage, which means there are risks. Wall Street Journal explains. By January 26, 2022. Those watching the funding of new financial technology companies in 21, the headlines were dramatic. Funding for fintech startups soared to 131.5 billion last year from 49 billion in 2020, according to CB Insights. In 2020, investors created 27 fintech unicorns, or private companies with a value north of $1 billion. In 2021, the number of new unicorns reached 157. The number of exits, whether in the shape of an IPO or a merger or acquisition by a special purpose vehicle, we just did an article on SPACs, so check that out, jumped 73%, giving early investors in those businesses fresh capital to redeploy new fintech startups. The Bank for International Settlements, meanwhile, calculates that in the decade between 2010 and 2020, fintech companies attracted more than $1 trillion in new backing. And there you have it. There's the latest fintech company. Australia spent 804 million to buy drones and helicopters, set up mobile stations in Antarctica. Okay, not part of the article. Oh, that's it? Oh, okay. Well, that's it, guys. Not a very long article. How can battery-powered aircraft get off the ground? With propellers and a lot of reserve batteries, I hope. Okay, anyway, guys, the fintech space, ever-growing, DeFi, that's a word that we should all kind of mark in our memories. DeFi for the decentralized finance, just basically meaning there's no middleman, no bank in between, or something along those lines. So it's all automated. Hope you enjoyed that article. Hope you enjoy these Come Learn With Me sessions. I know I do. I learn a lot. Please subscribe and like our channel, and come visit us. Take a look at some of those links below and get in touch. Let's get chatting. Greg Silberman out for now.